Health insurance is one of the most important financial protections in the United States. Every year, millions of American families face medical emergencies that can cost thousands of dollars. Without proper insurance, even a simple hospital visit can turn into a serious financial crisis. In the USA, medical treatment is extremely expensive. A small injury, a few tests, or a short hospital stay can easily cost $4,000 or even more. This is why so many people struggle with medical bills and debt. To avoid this financial stress, Americans pay a fixed monthly amount called a premium. This premium gives them medical protection when they need it the most. Instead of paying huge hospital bills all at once, insurance helps spread the cost over time. Health insurance is not completely free. People must understand deductibles, copays, and out-of-pocket limits. These terms decide how much money the patient will still have to pay from their own pocket before insurance covers the rest. A strong health insurance plan usually covers emergency room visits, regular doctor checkups, prescription medicines, lab tests, and even yearly medical exams. Good coverage protects both your health and your savings. Without insurance, a single emergency room visit in the USA can cost anywhere between $3,000 to $10,000. One accident or illness can completely destroy a family's financial stability. That is why most Americans treat health insurance as a smart investment, not just a responsibility. It protects their money, their family, and their future. Choosing the right insurance plan today can save you from massive problems tomorrow.